When a lot of people think about software development, the first thing that pops into their head is some kind of a black art full of aesthetic monks that all chant these strange things and do odd combinations of keystrokes with their hands and their fingers to make the computer do all this magic on their behalf, and that there's these bizarre Byzantine error messages that only someone who has studied for years and years can possibly know how to interpret. And once you understand how to interpret, you can make the computer do your bidding. But the reality is, it isn't that hard. At least it doesn't have to be. And for a lot of us, having the ability to express ourselves with code as opposed to being limited to a less dynamic palette can be incredibly useful. Certainly, everyone has had this experience where they've had a great idea. It's just so hard to explain it. How do I get this across to you? I just can't come up with the words. They're right on the tip of my tongue, but they're just not quite there, and I can't get you to see my vision. Well, let's bring a little bit of vision helping into the equation, a little peyote, so to speak. Let's go on a vision quest. Here's some code. Here's just enough to get you started so that you can have one more way of expressing yourself, one more way of talking to a group of people. It's almost like having another language in your back pocket. If you're going on a trip, it really helps to know the local language, doesn't it? If you're going to a foreign country. So for me, that's really the important part of this, is understanding that it isn't that hard. You can actually do a lot of things much faster than you think is possible, and it doesn't require years and years of training. This can be done quickly. You can be productive in a short amount of time. And you're able to actually do really interesting things on the other side of that and have one more way of communicating with a diverse set of folks. At the UX Immersion Mobile Conference, I'm going to demystify the art of writing JavaScript and show you how to use jQuery and jQuery Mobile to express your ideas quickly and succinctly.